Okay guys, coming to you from my closet, I want to tell you a story about a guy who made a video on YouTube and talked about 5 traps not to fall in when starting any venture, any business. Specifically, I was talking about affiliate marketing, talking about learning to create content, not consume it, to beware of information overload, to follow one mentor, all these things, okay? He had this awesome framework, and then every single trap that he said to avoid, he fell into, and that was me, okay? So I'm making this video for me, for Ben Arkell, okay? To look back in the future. Trying to learn ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, and was learning from Spencer Meekum, learning lots of great stuff, and then learning from James Hurst, and then learning from Catlin Bettridge, and then learning from Liam Kelly maybe, and then Rachel Lee, and then just all these people, Damien, and then and then Doug, just so many people. And I'd sign up for the free courses, and I'd get all this information, and it would paralyze me, okay? Paralyze me. So stop it, okay? I read a comment from someone today that said the affiliate marketing, entrepreneurial business world, it's 90% mental. What happens is we consume all this information, and then we get paralyzed, and only 1 in 100 people are able to break through that and say, no, I'm going to get crap done, okay? So get crap done. Get off your butt. Do something. That's why I'm in my closet, by the way. Check out this suit. I have to wear this suit for a video, okay? Okay, I'm in my closet. Why? Because this is putting my kids to bed, but I need to post this. I need to remind myself that when I'm doing stuff, I feel good. I just recently set up my first email automation, the first couple steps. Got a lot more to go, but you are motivated when you act, okay? And so one thing I'm doing soon is the ClickFunnels 1 Funnel Challenge, and invite you guys to participate. There's a link below. Basically, for 30 days, we're given actionable steps. We're taught principles, actionable steps, and we take them. So if you're watching this and you're watching me, turn off this video and go do something. I've seen lots of YouTube channels where they give you all these ideas of kind of how to do all this stuff, and then I feel like if we can't get it done, we get frustrated and there's no one to reach out to. So what my goal is now, I'll leave a link to my Facebook group. My Facebook group, it's called Passive Income Automation with Ben Arkell. I might change the title because I actually want it to be a support group for people who really were just stuck, okay? A lot of groups on Facebook say that's what they're there for, like you can ask a question, but I really want to hold people's hand through this process of how to use ClickFunnels, how to do affiliate marketing, how to set up an email or autoresponder. If you can't figure it out, let's do it together, because I'm pushing through all this stuff, learning the hard way, but I want to be a support to people, okay? So I'm just writing, this is a video to Ben Arkell telling you to get crap done and stop procrastinating, stop letting your mind think you can't do it. Push through these obstacles and get stuff done. As you get stuff done, you feel good. One step at a day. One step at a time. One step every day. Okay? Folks, join with me this month, starting on February 25th. We're doing the 1 Funnel Way Challenge. I got some bonuses if you sign up through my link, like free ClickFunnels training, which is pretty spectacular. So leave a comment below and tell me what paralyzes you guys. Like, what, for me, it's just information overload. It's seeing what other people are doing. It's me not thinking I can do it. What kind of paralyzes you? Okay, this is my second video on YouTube. They're crappy. They're in my closet, but guess what? I'm gonna learn to do this better, and I'm acting. I'm gonna get stuff done. and I want to help you guys out, okay? So reach out to me, connect. Let's figure this affiliate marketing stuff, this passive income stuff. Let's figure it out together. Peace.